Listen, America, I've had the coronavirus. I learned so much. Listen, you don't gotta worry about this. Don't let it dominate you. I've had the best doctors, the best treatments recently developed. You don't gotta worry. We have the tools. We can beat it. Guys, I think I'm immune. I don't know. I had to be a leader. Listen, don't let it dominate you. It's not. Don't let it dominate you. I had to be a leader. I don't know.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today, we are going to be changing out my wife's motherboard. Her computer, I've had this motherboard 2 times, and for some reason it keeps failing on me. And it's a Aorus X570 Master, which is a very expensive board, very expensive, and it's failed twice. This is my second one to go through, and I'm gonna change it out. I'm gonna let you guys watch that process. If you want to watch a motherboard catch a slight downgrade, I guess. It's a Gigabyte 550, the all-white version, the Vision D. It's actually a pretty good looking board, but yeah, we're gonna time-lapse that. And if you guys want to watch that get changed out and see what her system actually looks like, she's got a pretty decent looking one. So let's do it.
Listen, we're gonna do it. We're gonna roll to it now. We're going in.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. If you do like this type of content and you'd like to see more of it, please let me know. I do enjoy this kind of stuff, so I don't mind that request. If there is some other type of stuff you would like to see, please let me know that as well. MSI, Asus, Aorus, Gigabyte, Nvidia, AMD. If you guys are watching or you somehow stumble across this, please, send me some stuff. I'll put some stuff together for y'all. Let me be another rep for you guys. I'll do it gladly. I'll do it. You don't have to beg me. So guys, I hope that if you like this video, you'll give it a like, and I hope if you didn't like it, you'll like it anyway, and hope you can subscribe, guys. I appreciate you stopping by, and just remember this one thing, if nothing else. It's a vibe. The tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.